and set up for the second half of his show. Let's go up live to the cockpit once more. Hey, Aaron, it's Luke back with you.
I'm a little quiet, catching my breath. If we can hear just that we moved. +8, -6, believe it or not.
-6 G's? Remind me never to fly with you.
I think you got a little bit more. Let's go -7.
Great, that makes it even worse.
I want to do a quick shout out. Do you mind giving me the mic?
Yeah, all you, buddy. Go for it.
Hey, I want to shout out to everyone here in the show, the spectators. You are phenomenal. The volunteers that have made this show happen.
I present to you your United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron, the Blue Angel! Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, your United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron takes pleasure in performing for you this, our 14th flight demonstration of the 2026 season. I'm Lieutenant Ronnie Hafeza, narrator for the Blue Angels. Since 1946, the Blue Angels have had the unique privilege of demonstrating to the American public the precision techniques of naval aviation, inspiring a culture of excellence and service to country. The maneuvers you will see demonstrated here this afternoon are coordinated tactical techniques developed by Navy and Marine Corps pilots in both peacetime training and actual combat. These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refinements of basic techniques taught to every prospective naval aviator. Here in the skies over Vero Beach, we will demonstrate these maneuvers at very low altitude in traditional Blue Angel formation, so you may see and take pride in the precise fashion in which your Navy and Marine Corps pilots are trained to fly. Now direct your attention to the ramp before you and observe the military manner in which the 6 demonstration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Canton, Connecticut, Captain Adam Bryan. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Thousand Oaks, California, Lieutenant Cam Schneider. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Geneva, Illinois, Lieutenant Chris Hubin. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Beaufort, South Carolina, Lieutenant Colonel Brandon Wilkins. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Freeport, Maine, Lieutenant Commander Connor O'Donnell. Flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Chantilly, Virginia, Major Scott Lux. As the crew chiefs assist the pilots into their jets, you're witnessing the teamwork found in all Navy and Marine Corps units. The Blue Angels take a great deal of pride in personifying the Navy and Marine Corps values of honor, courage, and commitment. For more information on our support teams and our pilots, we invite you to follow us on social media, including Facebook and Instagram. There you'll find exclusive photos and videos, as well as an in-depth look at our organization and how we operate. The Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron, the Blue Angels, is the oldest performing U.S. military aviation demonstration team. Since 1946, the Blue Angels have brought naval aviation to men and women of all ages across America. We were first based at Naval Air Station Jacksonville, Florida, flying F-6F Hellcats. We continued flying Grumman Corporation aircraft for 22 years, transitioning in late 1946 to the more powerful and faster F-8F Bearcat. In 1950, we transitioned to jet aircraft with the arrival of the straight-wing F-9 F-2 Panther. the predecessor of the swept-wing F9 F8 Cougar, which we received in 1955. In 1957, the Blue Angels became equipped with high-performance aircraft with the arrival of the supersonic F-11 F Tiger. In 1969, we received the McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom and flew the supersonic jet until 1974 when we transitioned to the A-4 Skyhawk. In 1987, we acquired the Boeing F-18 Hornet. It demonstrated its reliability over the course of 34 show seasons. We are now in our 6th year of flying the combat-proven Boeing F-18 Super Hornet. The pilots and crew chiefs will now start the General Electric engines that power the F-18. The noise level will soon become too loud to hear a description of the checks they will perform. However, please note that each aircraft was carefully inspected by expert Blue Angels maintenance personnel prior to this afternoon's aerial demonstration. The Blue Angels fly the Boeing F-18 Super Hornet, a multi-mission strike fighter, versions of which have been operational throughout the fleet since 2001.
I don't want to be the last guy out there. So it's going to take us 2 hours to get out of the park. We are not. We need to leave early. We need to start going by 3:20. We need to start going.
I just got 3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your engine!
Some folks are born made to wave the flag. Ooh, they're red, white, and blue. And when the band plays hail to the chief, ooh, they point the cannon at you. No, it ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no senator, son. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate boy. Some folks are born silver spoon in hand. Lord, don't they help themselves, y'all? But when the tax man comes through the door, Lord, the house look like a rummage sale. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no millionaire son. No, no. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate one. No. Yeah, some folks inherit star-spangled eyes. Ooh, they send you down to war. And when you ask them how much should we give, ooh, the only answer, more, y'all. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no military son. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate one. It ain't me. It ain't me. I ain't no fortunate one.
Ain't got antlers on my walls, but I sure don't meaning calls from the stars and the bars on a Friday night. Other boys may need oh my, but I can close my eyes and have you wrapped around my fingers like that. So baby, when you need the job done, you can call me baby. 'Cause you ain't gotta tell me, it's just in my nature to take it like a taker. So baby, I'll get high, ain't no need to hurry. 'Cause baby, I never ain't no country boy killer. I get the job done, I get the job done. Girl, I don't need no lifted truck, revving loud to pick you up. 'Cause how I look is how I touch. And in this strip mall town of dreams, good luck finding a man who has some need to rhinestone cowgirl all night long. So baby, if you never had it once, call me baby. Yeah. 'Cause you ain't gotta tell me, it's just in my nature to take it like a taker. So baby, I'll get high, ain't no need to hurry. 'Cause baby, I never ain't no country boy quitter. I get the job done.
Big objects. Finish cycle play. Check smoke traffic. Your heading is 20. Ticket to set 3005 for a current jump elevation 0 feet. Ticket rear 10. Ticket is 15, 30, 30, 40. Call back. You signal myself. Finish cycle play. Buddy, holding. Check smoke traffic. Smoke on. Smoke off.
Good afternoon, boss. Updated winds are 130 at 10, gusts at 20. Altimeter is 3007 for a corrected altimeter of 3005 for a set elevation of 0 feet and a density altitude of 1,800 feet. Boss squawk 0201, body squawk 0205, Goldie squawk Squawk 0206. You're clear to taxi via Charlie 6, line up away, runway 12 right.
Thanks, Mo. Clear to taxi on runway 12 right.
I'm living in that 21st century, doing something mean to it. Do it better than anybody you ever seen. Do it, scream from the haters, got a nice ring to it. I guess every superhero need his theme music. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. The system broken, the school's closed, the prison's open. We ain't got nothing to lose, everybody we rollin'. Everybody we rollin'. With some light-skinned girls and some Kelly rollers. In this white man world, we
The Blue Angels taxi in type formation, just as you will see them perform here this afternoon. This degree of precision has been a trademark of the Blue Angels since first established 80 years ago. 17 officers and 155 enlisted personnel comprise the Blue Angels. Pilots 1 through 4 fly in the diamond formation, showcasing the precision flying required of all Navy and Marine Corps pilots, while pilots 5 and 6 fly as solos, demonstrating the maximum performance capability of the aircraft. Once again, I am Lieutenant Ronnie Hafeza from Redondo Beach, California, Blue Angel number 7, the narrator for the flight demonstration, as well as the pilot for the key influencer and media personnel we normally fly at each show site. Blue Angel number 8, Commander Lily Montana from Vienna, Virginia, is the Squadron Naval Flight Officer and Events Coordinator. Janet this week from Fort Worth, Texas, serves as the Squadron Executive Officer.
Thanks, Mo. Solos, we're clear for takeoff. Solos ready to rock the Sunshine State bus. We're going to take off the Windsor 13010, gust 20, that's a headwind. Check your parking ring off. Check your trip set. Check your nose steering. Maneuver. Driving out scroll gauge. Left or now. Traffic takeoff.
Bobby Diamond clears on 9. Let's fire it up for Vera.
Now, to the left, Captain Brian calls smoke on. Off brakes now. Burners ready now. And the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice the smoke is no longer visible while the engines are in afterburner. Necessary airspeed to complete their next maneuver. exert up to 4 times the force of gravity through this looping maneuver. Back to the right. Blue Angels 5 and 6 are rolling. Blue Angel number 5 will complete the dirty roll on takeoff. While Blue Angel number 6 performs the precise low transition and pitches up at 6 times the force of gravity. In a display of precision flying, the 2 solo pilots will soon cross over center point with minimum separation. Approaching center point nose to nose, they'll roll their aircraft to 90 degrees angle of bank and cross canopy to canopy as they perform the opposing knife edge pass.
It don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals, hit it dead center. Hit it dead center. Hit it the Moses, no mystery. Woo!
The 2 solo pilots will next demonstrate the inverted flight capability of the F-18. Approaching inverted from the left and right, they'll roll their aircraft 360 degrees crossing center point. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing inverted to inverted rolls. Setting up for their next maneuver. Approaching center point on Captain Brian's command. All 4 pilots will simultaneously roll their aircraft 360 degrees as they perform the Diamond Aileron Roll. Here's Captain Brian.
Almeida post. Ready, headed.
Navy and Marine Corps pilots who must land their aircraft on the small and sometimes pitching deck of an aircraft carrier at sea. Slow-speed flight is just as important as high-speed flight. In order to demonstrate the dirty, slow-speed handling characteristics of the F-18, Captain Brian has called for the extension of the landing gear and tailhooks by the 4 Diamond pilots, as they execute a maneuver performed by no other jet demonstration team in the world today. From the left, the Diamond Dirty Loop. Aircraft 270 degrees and crossed with minimum separation. Watch as both pilots sustain 6 times the force of gravity to cross their aircraft over show center.
Oh yeah, I did get that.
With a combined closure rate of over 800 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls.
Escuchando, ya hoy tengo a una, mañana otra.
As they exit to the right, you will notice the entire formation is shifted. they exit to the left, Captain Brian calls for another formation change prior to detaching Blue Angel number 5. From behind, the spectator quickly shift back into the Blue Angel Diamond. They'll execute a maximum performance climb with a split S reversal, bringing their aircraft back over show center.
She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping round the room. Judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do. And it doesn't take a crystal ball to see a cowboy always finds a way to leave. Drinking Jack all by myself. He's choosing Texas, I can tell.
As the formation pulls to level, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. Ladies and gentlemen,
Word on the street is I make it look easy.
as each aircraft accelerates to 500 miles per hour, they'll perform a reversal turn and head back towards the flight line. You should be able to follow their individual smoke trails, as all 4 aircraft converge on center point with maximum closure and minimum separation. controls provide the slow speed handling that sets the Super Hornet apart in the air-to-air combat arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the section high on the ranks. As each aircraft accelerates to 500 miles per hour, they'll perform a half-Cuban 8 reversal turn. As they pull up and over the top, you should be able to follow their individual smoke trails as all 5 pilots simultaneously roll their aircraft 180 degrees and head back towards the flight line from 5 different directions with maximum closure and minimum separation. In front of the crowd, the Delta is making its approach to the flight line. Approaching show center, the entire formation will separate in dramatic fashion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Delta Breakout. Excellence, spanning 115 years of naval aviation. The 2026 team takes a great deal of pride in saluting Navy and Marine Corps aviators, maintenance crews, and support personnel everywhere. From the left, your 2026 Blue Angels. One of the unique demands placed upon naval aviators is that they must be able to land their aircraft on a ship while at sea, whether it be a tactical drone, a propeller-driven aircraft, or a helicopter. Each requires skill which the naval aviator must master. In order to perfect this skill, Navy and Marine Corps pilots spend a great deal of time in the landing pattern practicing carrier approaches. In front of you now, Captain Ryan and his wingmen are simulating a carrier pattern. Approaching the runway from the left, Captain Ryan is confirming that the landing checks have been completed and that each aircraft is in fact ready to land. Rolling out on final, they make constant power and lineup corrections, maintaining the optimum rate of descent for the proper touchdown point.
Ships are long
demonstration pilots you have been watching perform here this afternoon are but a small part of the Blue Angels team. The men and women standing before you in blue uniforms are members of the elite Blue Angels maintenance crew. Through
That was our place. These sleepy street lights on every side.